Okay, let's go with the editing. Editing is another option to go with. In editing, we have find, which really helps you to find something out in Microsoft Word page. So you have it in here. So you click in here, and then it says headings, pages, results. So in that way, you can find anything you wanted. If you wanted, for example, search help. For example, you want to find help. The word help is into two paragraph really. So there number one, there's you go number two. And we have also heading, okay, and pages. So for the headings, we only have one title and there's no match. And for the page, there's only one match, that this page has help. It has advanced find as well. You can go and you can check it out. So into the find, you have a lot of things to cover. You can click more, and then into the more section, you have lots of things like you can match case, you can find the whole words only, or use a wildcard, sound like English. Fine. You have these filtration that makes available to find exactly what you wanted in Microsoft Word. So you can use less, more on that. And reading highlighted can be used to highlight the word you wanted. So you can see the words are highlighted there, which is really nice. And you can, of course, clear highlight as well. Find in means current selection or main document. So this is also finding the word you wanted. And find next is finding the next one. Closing is closing the one. And there is also some other special thing like font. You can go with font and you can see exactly what font you wanted to look for, what the text is and what font it is and what paragraph it is. You can go with that, or you can go with this special like paragraph break. You can clear this. For example, you want to just find paragraph mark, so you can see this is the paragraph mark. And we have lots of cool stuff like tab, any character, any digit, any letter. All of these are available for us in order to find perfectly anything we wanted. For example, let's paste this. And for now, there's no formatting because there's no formatting, so it is disabled. So that is find and advanced find. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it really. Go to, it means go to where. So it says page, it says section, line, bookmark, comment field, anywhere you like to go. So it's available for you there. So that's about find and advanced find and replace. And right now it is time to replace. Replace is will replace a word to another word. You can say find what, replace what. Replace with. So you can say help instead of helpless, for example. And then helplessly. And then you can find that you get sure that there is word help. Yes. And you can say replace or replace all. That's really a thing. Also, you can put lots of filter to this as well. Finally, we have select. Select all will select you all the things you wanted. Select objects will only select objects including shapes, text areas, or text box, links, and inks, all of that. Text all text. Select all text with similar formatting. Also, we have selection pan is where we can see how many photos, shapes, and text, all of that we brought to this. Okay, thanks again for reaching to this level. You did an amazing job. Now let's go with the insert, because in the insert lots of cool journey begins. We really go with projects and classwork and all of that. So the cool work begins with the insert, and home file was just the basic, and I hope you got most out of it.